So at this point, you're probably asking yourself a few questions. First one is, Justin, what in the world is a buyer's specialist? And after I explain that to you, you're certainly going to want to know, gosh, how much is that going to cost, right? And then, of course, I'm going to get you very excited and you're going to think, how do we get started? Hi, my name is Justin Mecha, Keller Williams agent, doing something epic every day right here in Northwest Montana. And I want to take just a second here to explain exactly what a buyer's specialist does, okay? It is as it sounds. Today, just like every day, I wake up, check the market, I analyze it, review it, and I interpret it from the lens of a buyer. Why? Well, because one, I am one, but two, I've chosen to work specifically with buyers. I can explain it best this way, all right? Let's say you're driving around, right? Perhaps maybe through beautiful Kalispell, Whitefish, Columbia Falls, Summers, Lakeside, and you're thinking to yourself, you know, we found the house, right? It caught the light right. You've envisioned the next chapter of your life in this home. You've really you've set it up, right? And then what do you do next? You make the call, right? The number that's on the sign, you make that call, you start talking to that agent, and you want to get into the house to take a look at it and write down an offer. Well, here's what happened, okay? Chances are that number on that sign went directly to the agent who's already under contract to represent the best interest of the seller of that home. Now, there's this old adage that says, he who chases two rabbits catches neither. The question I have for you is this: what possible representation can you expect to receive if the person you've called is already representing the best interests of the other party? Hence, buyer's specialist. See, my motive, my agenda, if you will, is to try to reinvent the idea of the sign call. Instead of calling that number by default, I want you to work directly with a buyer's specialist. Why? Because I want you to get the best representation possible. Now, I've already worked with and networked myself with several agents in the Valley who send their buyer leads this way. Why? Because they see the value in people getting the best representation on both sides, both for the buyer and the seller. That way it becomes a win-win. Okay. Sounds great, Justin. How much is that going to cost? Now 2 agents are getting paid? Well, guess what? 2 agents are already getting paid anyways. A lot of times that listing agent is going for the double whammy, okay? It's called dual representation, and it's legal in this state, although I don't agree with it. Why? Again, because he who chases 2 rabbits catches neither. Why put yourself in a position where you're not going to get the best possible representation? Bring a Rocky Balboa into the scenario for you so that he can start throwing punches for you. So not only do you get the house of your dreams, but you get it at the best deal possible. I'm ready to go fight for you, right? Now, of course, it's soft punches. We're not really knocking people out. Well, most of the time. Here's the cost, right? The agent that has their number on that sign, right? They've already entered into an agreement with that seller, and part of that agreement is the amount of money that they're going to send to the agent who brings the buyer. Okay, it's called buyer representation, right? There's already a commission, part of the commission that is carved out for that. So really what's going on there is that agent pays for me. You don't have to pay a dime, okay? The money that I make comes from them. Now, effectively, what it means is that I'm going to be bargaining for a smaller paycheck, but it also means that you're going to get better representation. It's really cool. So now you're thinking, all right, Justin, sounds great. I know what a buyer specialist is. I know how much it's going to cost me. How do I get started? Here we go. I want you to go to myepicagent.com. That's epic with 2 Ks, of course. myepicagent.com. Click on Get Started, and that's how you're going to be able to connect with me right away. If you've already started doing some shopping and you have some addresses in mind, perhaps you even know the MLS numbers, that's cool. Just indicate that right there for me. I will send you a market analysis on that property specifically right away so that you can get the ball rolling, so that we can get you into the home that you dream of, that is built for you and your family, and together we can do something epic today.